Hello, my name is William and I'm a tutor on MyTutor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a recurring decimal into a fraction.
So the trick with this type of conversion is to actually identify the repeating segment. And in this case, we identify this 73 here, and we see that this keeps repeating in our decimal. So if I write 100 times x, I get 73.737373 right? Because it's the recurring decimal times 100. And the common trick with these types of questions is if I then write below x, which is just 0.737373, we can see actually that if I then take the difference, so 100x minus x, that's going to be this 73 point recurring decimal minus the recurring decimal. So we can see that these parts actually cancel out, and we're just left with the 73, and this here is 99x. So if 99x is 73, we just divide both sides by 99 to get 73 over 99. And that is our fraction that we're looking for.